Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the music app and signing into your Apple ID so the app can access personalized stations. Once signed in, tap the radio tab or ask Siri to play a live station. This gets you onto Apple Music Radio immediately. Make sure to enable cellular streaming or connect to Wi-Fi so playback doesn't stall. This matters because radio is live streaming and a weak connection causes buffering. Once done, choose a live or curated station to start listening right away. Once you're listening, shape the experience by creating stations from songs, albums, or artists. Tap the three dots and choose Create Station. You control how the algorithm learns by marking tracks as loved or disliked so future plays match your taste, and you can adjust the station's variety in its settings. Make use of Play Next and add to library to queue and save tracks you like. This matters because radio adapts, so explicit feedback speeds up personalization. To wrap up, save stations and follow shows so you can return to them in the Radio tab. This keeps curated content handy. Use AirPlay or Bluetooth for better sound, and remember that radio is streaming only. Download episodes when available for offline listening. If playback stutters or stations won't load, restart the music app, update iOS, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and verify your network or VPN. Doing these steps usually clears buffering or authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.